Hi, I'm Lucie Rachel. I'm an artist filmmaker currently based in Brighton, and I've produced and co-directed Factory Talk alongside Chrissie Hyde. I want to say a huge thank you to Tampere Film Festival for including our film within the international competition selection. We're very excited to hopefully be attending the festival, and fingers crossed we'll see some of you there. Also, a huge thank you to the team that worked with us. Without you, the film just wouldn't have been possible. Factory Talk is a spoken word film exploring identity, sexuality and masculinity in a modern day working factory. As a second generation queer person from a working class Midlands background, this film and the subject matter is extremely close and meaningful to me. So it's amazing to have the opportunity to create this film alongside Chrissie Hyde, who wrote and performed the piece. And I'm so excited that we can finally share this film with you. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Chrissie Hyde. Also, I go by my stage name, 1990s Chris. I'm a poet, a writer, a filmmaker from Hereford, England. I wrote and co-directed Factory Talk with Lucie. And there are lots of people that made this film possible, and they went above and beyond to do so. And I am very, very grateful to all of them. The film is inspired by my first-hand experience as a queer working class man in the world of work. As Lucie has mentioned, this subject matter is very close to our hearts, and we continue to explore it together in our next film, currently in post-production, which is called Save the Queen. So keep your eyes peeled for that. It's coming this year at some point. It will be out. If you connect with our work, please don't be shy. Give us a shout on socials, say hi, say hello. We'd love to hear from you. Our handles are at Lucie_Rachel and at 1990s Chris, like 1990s Chris. Thank you. Thanks so much. Thanks once again. And we hope you enjoy the film.